Today, I'm going to show you how to make an oatmeal-based hair mask that will help you achieve long, beautiful, shiny, and healthy hair. Many people struggle with dry, weak, or thin hair, and this natural mask is a great way to nourish your hair and make it stronger over time. Plus, it's super easy to make with just a few ingredients. For this, we will need 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 cup of water. Once we have our ingredients, we'll place them in a pot over low heat for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. It's important to stir occasionally so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. This hair mask is perfect for people with fine or damaged hair who want to make it thicker, healthier, and more resilient. So, why is oatmeal great for your hair? Oatmeal is packed with vitamin B, which helps control hair quality and prevents premature graying. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which thicken the hair strands and make them stronger. Additionally, it has omega-6, an essential component that deeply hydrates the hair, prevents dryness and breakage, and even protects against scalp infections. After 15 minutes, this is what the oatmeal looks like. It has thickened slightly, but we still need to strain it. While it's still warm, we're going to strain it using a fine sieve or a clean cloth. This prevents it from thickening too much and helps us extract the creamy texture that contains all the essential nutrients. Thanks to its high protein content and beneficial minerals like calcium, magnesium, silicon, and potassium, this mask is a powerful natural treatment for your hair. Now that our oatmeal mask is ready, we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes until it cools down a little before applying it. While we wait, let me know in the comments, have you ever used oatmeal in your hair care routine? I'd love to hear your experiences. Now, let's apply it. It's super easy. Divide your hair into 2 sections and apply the mask from the ends to the roots, massaging gently. Next, apply the mask directly to the scalp and massage in circular motions to boost blood circulation and promote hair growth. For the best results, use this mask once a week. With consistent use, your hair will become softer, stronger, and healthier. To remove the mask, simply wash your hair with your regular shampoo and conditioner as usual. And that's it. I really hope this video has been helpful. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.